If you install this game, you will earn $20. If you install and play another games app, you will earn $40. And if you install this play to earn games app, you will earn over $50. It's available worldwide, so you can earn money from any country around the world. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to Google Play Store and install this app called M-Pesa. As you can see, M-Pesa is a play to earn games app where you can find different games and apps to install and play those games to earn money online. I will leave a link to M-Pesa in the description of this video and the pinned comment also. You can just click on that link to install the M-Pesa app to your device and to get 100 coins in the free sign-up bonus. So once you install the app, this is how the icon of M-Pesa will look on your device. So just click on it, register yourself to M-Pesa app and log into it. Once you open the M-Pesa Play to Earn Games app, this is how the dashboard of the M-Pesa app will look like. So here you can find different playtime games offers, different surveys, different app tasks, and much more to complete and earn money online. And if you use my link in the description of this video to sign up to M-Pesa, then you will get 100 coins as a sign-up bonus for completely free. Now the good thing is that the M-Pesa app is available in almost all countries around the world. So you can be from any part of the world and you can still earn money with M-Pesa. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others depending on your country. Also like this video because your every like motivates us to create more videos for you guys. Now the step number 2, to earn money by installing Play to Earn Game apps. All you have to do is to come over to the Playtime Games offer on the top and click on this Play Now button right here. That's going to take you to this Playtime Games page where in the catalog you can find different games to play and earn money online. As you can see, I have 2 Play to Earn Games offers, the Travel Town Play to Earn Game and the Coin Master Play to Earn Game, and I can just install them from here to my device and start playing these Play to Earn Games app to earn money online. But first of all, I want you to open up any one game from here. Let's say we open the Coin Master Games offer. That's going to show you the details about this Play to Earn Games offer. So as you can see, here is the description of the game, and under that there is the rewards information, where you can see that if you install the Coin Master Play to Earn Games app and start playing this game on your device, you will earn 4,536 M-Pesa coins for the first minute of playing this game, and for the next 1 minute of playing this game, you will earn 4,725 M-Pesa coins. For another 1 minute of playing this game, you will earn 4,872 M-Pesa coins, and so on. The amount of M-Pesa coins will keep increasing every minute for as long as you keep playing the Coin Master Play to Earn Games app, and you can get paid up to 9,800 M-Pesa coins per minute if you keep playing the game for 20 to 30 minutes, which is just normal gaming time for every game enthusiast. And the good thing is that it won't stop there. Your earnings per minute will keep increasing, but now it will increase at the interval of 2 minutes. I also want you to pay attention to the reward conditions, so just open and read them from here. As you can see, if you complete a few minutes playing this game, your rewards will be credited to you within 24 hours. Also, this Play to Earn Games app or any other offer on M-Pesa is available for new users only. So what I suggest you is to create a new email and register to the M-Pesa app using your new email so that you can get paid for every offer you complete here. And the last rewards condition is that the user will only be rewarded if they download the app using the link in the offer, which I will show you in a minute. And lastly, if you complete all the levels of this Coin Master game, it might take up to 48 hours for you to receive your reward, which is 288,000 coins, which you can earn in total for installing and playing this game, and which are equal to around $50 for playing this game. So just click on this Play Now button on the bottom of your screen, because only then you will get paid. So just click on this pink button, and that's going to take you to the Play Store of your device, from where you can install the game to your device. So once you install the Coin Master app, just open it from there so that we can start playing it to make money online. So to earn money with the Coin Master Play to Earn Games app, you have to spin the rewards by pressing the red spin button right here, just like you are seeing on your screen. You will get some rewards every time you press on the spin button from here, and your rewards will be credited to your account on top left corner. And the coins you earn here, you can utilize those coins to build your village and to upgrade your village items so that you can complete that village and you can move on the next village or the next level of this game. And once you complete playing the game for a few minutes, you can come back to the M-Pesa app and open it. And you can see that as soon as I opened the M-Pesa app, the credit notification started to come. You can see that I have been credited with over 40,000 coins to my account for just playing the Coin Master game for 8 to 10 minutes. Now let's click on the balance from top of our screen, and you can see all the credit history of our account. So as you can see, all of these earnings are from the Playtime game offers. These 4,000 coins, 5,000 coins, 6,000 coins credit notifications are for the Coin Master game we played. So you can see that for every minute playing the games from the Playtime offers, we are earning money, which is really awesome. Now, if you open up the Playtime games offer once again, you can see that once you start playing the first game from the Playtime offers, you will be shown a ton of games and apps after that, which you can install and start to earn money online. So as you can see, I can keep scrolling and the apps will keep showing. So here you will find the Play to Earn Games apps like this, the Dice Dreams game, or the puzzle game, Monopoly Go game, which is one of my favorite games to learn financial lessons and to play games to earn money at the same time. Or you can find some apps here just like this Make Money Play and Earn Cash app, which you can install and get paid for every level in the app. And every game or app that you install, you can see its progress by clicking the My Games option. Now step number 3, to earn even more money with M-Pesa app, you can use some other features of it as well. For example, you can take different surveys and you can earn anywhere from 600 coins up to 2,500 coins for just 15 to 18 minute surveys. Or you can just click on the top offers from here and you will be shown some of the highest paying app and games offers, which you can install on your device and start to earn money with them as you complete each level of that game or that app. And here you can get paid anywhere from 300 coins up to 200,000 coins per offer you complete, depending on the complexity and difficulty to complete that offer. Not only that, if you scroll down, you can also find some other offers to earn money. For example, here also, you can find some survey offers. So just click on that and you will be shown the survey providers. You can choose any survey provider platform from there and start completing the surveys on their platform to earn even more money. Just like this, there is the option of app task. And when you click on it, you will be shown different apps and game offer providing platforms. You can choose any of them and start installing apps and games from there to earn money online and to earn extra money for completely free. What you can also do is to click on the Scratch It section from the bottom of your screen. And you can see that I have a scratch card in my account. So let's click on it and scratch it from here to see what we get. And as you can see, I got over 13,000 coins credited to my account for completely free, which is just awesome. Just like this, if you click on the streaks option from the bottom again, you can see that if you log into M-Pesa app for 7 days continuously, you will earn 1,000 coins for complete free. Not only that, you will also get a badge to your account. Now to earn the most amount of money in passive income with M-Pesa app, what you can do is to click on the invite option from the bottom. And here you can see that if you invite your friends to M-Pesa app using your referral link, you will win some coins for free. You can copy your referral link from here by pressing this copy icon right here, and your referral link will be copied, which you can share with your friends and family. And you will earn over 10,000 coins for just referring your friends and family to M-Pesa app. So once your referral installs the first game from the M-Pesa app, you will get paid 10,000 coins for completely free. And your referral will get the sign-up bonus for joining through your link. It is a win-win situation for both. So just copy your referral link from here by pressing on your referral link and start sharing it with your friends and family through different social media accounts like WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, etc. Now the step number 4 is to show you guys my withdrawal proof from the M-Pesa app. So as you can see, I have over 120,000 coins in my account, which I can withdraw from here by pressing the redeem option from the bottom right corner on my screen. That's going to take me to this page where I will be shown the withdrawal options that are available in my country. So the good thing about M-Pesa app is that it will only show you the withdrawal options that are available in your country. So every country has their local rewards like bank transfer, wallet transfer, shopping vouchers, etc. So you can be from any country around the world and you can still take withdrawal of your earnings to your bank account on M-Pesa. And in my country, there are Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, Google Play gift cards, PayPal Cash, and many other payment options available. So the M-Pesa app is showing me these options. Now today, I would like to show you how we can withdraw Amazon gift cards. So let's open it from here. And here you can see that I can withdraw $1 and $5 gift card. But to withdraw $25 gift card, I need to earn more coins. So let's just withdraw the $5 gift card from here by pressing on it. And it will ask for us to confirm the $5 Amazon gift card reward, which will be delivered to us within 48 hours. So let's just click on the confirm button from here. And you can see that we will get credited within 48 hours. So let's close it from here. And you can see that we instantly got the $5 Amazon gift card link, which now I can use to do my Amazon shopping. So the M-Pesa app is one of the best play to earn games app out there. Once again, I will leave a link to M-Pesa app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can install the app from there and start to make money online playing different games and installing different apps. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.